Welcome back to Mr. English Pro, your daily English learning podcast.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy English Learning. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sophia. We're happy to see you again. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about yourself in English.
This is one of the most common English conversations. People ask this question in school, college, job interviews, and when meeting someone for the first time.
Don't worry if you're a beginner. We'll use simple English. Listen carefully and repeat after us. Let's begin.
Hello, my name is Alex. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Alex. Nice to meet you too. Can you tell me about yourself?
Of course. My name is Alex. I am 25 years old. I live in New York. I work as an English teacher. I enjoy helping people learn English. In my free time, I like reading books, listening to music, and traveling. I am friendly and hardworking. I want to improve my skills every day. That's a little about me.
That was a great introduction. Now let's learn another example. Hello, my name is Sophia. I am 23 years old. I live in London with my family. I am a university student. I study business management. I love learning new things. My hobbies are reading books, watching movies, and cooking. I am learning English because I want to travel around the world and meet new people. Thank you for listening.
Excellent. Now let's have a natural conversation. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Sophia. What's your name?
My name is Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from the United States. What about you?
I'm from England. Where do you live?
I live in New York. And you?
I live in London.
What do you do?
I am a student. I study business management. What about you?
I am an English teacher. I teach English online.
That's wonderful. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. I love teaching English. Every day I meet students from different countries. Helping them speak English makes me happy.
That's amazing. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books. I also like watching documentaries and going for walks. Sometimes I play football with my friends. What about you?
I enjoy cooking. I also love watching English movies and listening to music. On weekends, I spend time with my family.
Now let's learn some useful sentences. Repeat after me. My name is, I am years old. I live in, I am from, I am a student. I work as a, my hobbies are, I enjoy, I love learning English. I want to improve my English speaking skills. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Great. Now let's practice a longer self-introduction. Listen carefully. Hello, everyone. My name is Sophia. I am 23 years old. I live in London. I am a university student. I study business management. I enjoy reading books, learning English, and spending time with my family. I am a positive and friendly person. My dream is to start my own business one day. I believe that learning English will help me achieve my goals. Thank you for listening. It was nice talking to you.
That was excellent. Remember, you don't need difficult words. Simple English is enough. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Practice every day. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Sophia.
Now it's your turn. Answer these questions aloud. What is your name? How old are you? Where are you from? Where do you live? What do you do? What are your hobbies? Why are you learning English? What is your dream? Take your time. Speak in English. Don't worry about mistakes. Every mistake is a chance to learn.
Wonderful. We hope today's lesson helped you learn how to introduce yourself in English.
Practice these sentences every day. Soon, you'll be able to introduce yourself with confidence.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, and keep practicing your English.
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next lesson.